crazy real estate market is doing here in Southwest Florida this month or last month, really May. I'm a little bit late. I was moving myself. So jumping into this a tad late here, later than normal, but let's get to it. Southwest Florida housing market update, May 2024 numbers. And starting as always in Collier County, closed sales at 1,060. That's down almost 8% from a year ago. And a year ago was down from the previous year. 23 was down from 2024. Median sale price is 680. That's still up almost 6.5%. It's crazy. Even though the 11.8 months supply of inventory and closed sales volume is down 2 years in a row now, that prices are still climbing in Collier County. Median time to contract, 53 days. New listings at 1182. That's up 11% from a year ago. So listings still going up, closed sales going down, pending sales down 5.7% as well. At some point, we got to see these prices start to drop in Collier County, especially with almost a year's supply of inventory at this point. That is firmly in buyer's market territory, which is typically in the 5 to 7 months range. So for Lee County, closed sales a little over 2,000, down 4% from a year ago. Median sale price in Lee County is dropping down to 389.9, which is down almost 4% from a year ago. Month supply of inventory still climbing at 7.9. Median time to contract, 52 days. New listings at 2515. That's about flat. And new pending sales down to 1,900 that's about 2.4% down. Charlotte County, closed sales are up 17%. So as you see, as we move further north in our territory here in Southwest Florida, to the northern part, the market's a little different. So closed sales at 704, that's up 17% from a year ago. Median sale price still down a little over 2% at 350. Month supply of inventory still up 8.1. Median time to contract at 62 days. New listings up 17% as well. So that's right in line with the closed sales at 921. New pending sales also up a little bit, 622, but not as much as the new listings and closed. So hopefully this number kicks up again in June and gets us back moving towards a more balanced market. So Sarasota County, closed sales are up about 2.5%, 1321. Median sale price down a little, 449. Month supply of inventory at 5.5. So there we're still in a typically what's considered a balanced market. Median days till contract is 50. New listings up 10% at 1,375. New pending sales down just a tad at 1,014. So these are staying pretty close to in line. So we shouldn't see this tick up too much next month. And then Manatee County. And so Manatee County at 1,103 closed sales. That's down 7%. Median sale price at 475 is up about 2%. Month supply of inventory still right on the cusp. Still kind of a seller's market even, though it is ticking up a little bit. So we'll take a look and see how that is trending so far this year. And median time to contract 49 days. New listings 1,327. That's up 14%. So that's going up. Closed sales coming down, pending sales down. That means this is probably going to go up next month. So let's see, tracking through the entire year, what the trends are. Closed sales. Now this is pretty typical. As we've talked before, January, February, March jumps up. April is usually around the highest. This March, April, May timeframe is usually the peak of our closed sales for the year. And so as you can see, same thing in Lee County. Charlotte County actually closed sales took a step up a little bit, just a small one. Same with Sarasota and same with Manatee. So those three northern counties are still ticking up a little bit with closed sales throughout the year. So it'll be interesting to see how June's numbers shake out. And median sale price, Collier County, ticking up every single month. Lee County, we peaked a little bit here in April. Charlotte County had April was kind of an odd month out where they've almost been flat the rest of the year. Sarasota County, kind of the same thing in April, and Manatee County had the opposite. It had a little dip in April and it's worked its way back up. Month supply of inventory, as you can see, Collier County, significant jump up. Lee County had a slight bump up. Charlotte actually had a dip down. Sarasota actually had a dip down, and so did Manatee. So interesting that those three are starting to dip back down. So that's it. If you want to know how this impacts you in your specific situation, whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest, give us a shout. Here's my contact info. Be happy to help and discuss the market and your particular situation and how these numbers would impact it for you. Thanks for watching.